Vacasa Review, Usage Experience. In this review, I'll break down my experience using Vacasa, a popular vacation rental service that offers an alternative to traditional booking platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo. Vacasa is designed for travelers seeking a more seamless and premium vacation rental experience, with properties ranging from beach houses to mountain cabins and city apartments. The service focuses on providing professionally managed homes, meaning you can expect a higher level of consistency and reliability compared to some peer-to-peer rental platforms. What stands out with Vacasa is its impressive range of features tailored to both guests and property owners. For guests, the app offers an easy-to-navigate interface where you can browse listings with detailed photos, accurate pricing, and transparent availability. The booking process is straightforward, with flexible options for check-in and check-out. A key feature is their 24/7 customer support, which I found to be responsive and helpful when I had a question about an upcoming stay. Additionally, Vacasa's Vacation Home Promise ensures that if a home is not up to your expectations, they'll offer a solution, like moving to a different property or providing a refund. For property owners, Vacasa offers full-service management, from pricing optimization to cleaning and maintenance. This takes the burden off property owners, allowing them to focus on other tasks while Vacasa handles the logistics and guest communications. The company also offers a guaranteed income program for owners, making it a reliable option for those looking to monetize their properties with minimal effort. While the experience is mostly positive, the prices tend to be higher than those of similar rentals on platforms like Airbnb. However, this premium comes with the assurance of quality, professional management, and additional perks like housekeeping services. In terms of ease of use, the website and app function smoothly, and I didn't encounter any technical issues during my booking or stay. Overall, Vacasa is a great option for travelers who value consistency, professional management, and hassle-free stays. If you're looking for a rental experience that feels more like a hotel with the privacy of a vacation home, Vacasa delivers. Would I use it again? Absolutely. Especially for my next trip when I want peace of mind knowing that everything will be taken care of.